Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify automate support tagging with Intercom and no-code tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the settings section on the bottom left of the dashboard. Click on the Operators tab to access the automation settings. Select Automated Messages to see your existing automation flows. Identify the automation flow that includes support tagging. Click on the flow to open the editing interface. Locate the section where tagging is implemented. Make sure the tags are correctly assigned to the appropriate user actions or keywords. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your chosen no-code automation tool. Common options include Zapier, Integromat, or Automate.io. Once logged in, create a new automation or Zap in Zapier, for instance. Choose Intercom as the app to connect with. Select the trigger event related to user messages or conversations. Authenticate your Intercom account by following the prompts. After the connection is established, define the trigger parameters to limit the scope of automation. Proceed to set up the action that follows from the trigger. This action should involve tagging the conversation or user appropriately. In the Action section, specify the condition under Inspect and confirm that the right tags are being used for support purposes. Once set up, activate the automation. Return to your Intercom dashboard and trigger a test conversation. Monitor the scenario to ensure the automation fires correctly. After testing, verify if the tags have been applied accurately in Intercom. Go back to your no-code tool and check the recent task history for successful executions. Make any necessary adjustments if the tagging doesn't behave as anticipated. Finally, document the successful flow for future reference and adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.